Yes, thank you very much, Nesia. So good afternoon, everyone. It's good to see everybody again. I'm happy. Today is week 11, yeah? Hold on one second. Yeah, we are now in week 11. So we have 4 more weeks. 4 minggu lagi sebelum kalian UAS. Ya, minggu ke-11, 12, sorry. 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 4 more weeks before you have your final term exam. So before you have your Christmas break, yang ada Christmas break-nya, kalian akan ujian dulu. Ya, jadi sebelum mendapatkan hal yang baik, kalian harus berjuang untuk dapat itu ya. Yeah, so I think it will be good because the lesson I think over the semester are not too difficult, at least in my perspective. Yeah. But I hope it's the same with you guys, yeah. But again, if you have questions, you are most welcome to ask me. Kalau misalnya bingung, Miss, gimana cara mengucapkan ini atau gimana artinya atau if you have questions about the lesson, silakan ditanya saja. I'm more than happy to answer your question. Saya paling senang kalau ada yang bertanya. Berarti kalian cek materinya, Miss. Kalau kalian nggak bertanya, kalau kalian tanya tapi kalian nggak cek duluan materinya, itu salah juga ya. So check the materials first and then you say, oh ini kira-kira apa ya, Miss, apa artinya gitu ya. So that's just my comments. Now we will continue to today's meeting. So we talk about transportation, and in the video I have mentioned about what you need to do during the practicum session. Yeah, so and I have explained about the predictions. Miss juga di video sudah menjelaskan tentang prediction. Ada yang certain and ada yang possible. And there's a grammar to use that. Ada grammarnya pakai will and may and might. Okay, we will see the difference of the use of those models in a minute. Okay. So this is just a quick outline. I think I'll just move to this part first before we go to this one. Yeah, so you in the comments in YouTube, I have checked some of your comments. You mentioned about the future transportation, and you also use the compound sentence in your explaining your past activity. So I will just stop my share screen very quickly and show you the YouTube comments. Yeah, so we have, I don't know if you have posted this, many are actually from the 3T itu TK2 ya. Jadi saya mungkin mau cek dulu. Si Samuel ada di sini? Are you here, Samuel?
Ada, Miss.
Ya, baru post jam 1 tadi ya, dia.
Iya, Miss.
Iya, why don't you do it before the during the theory class? Kenapa nggak waktu teori kelas?
Tadi ada sedikit mau kerjakan praktikum, Miss.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So your answer is, what did you answer? I cleaned my motorbike and I went touring with my friend yesterday afternoon. Boleh ya. Ini mungkin kalimat aja ya. I imagine one of future transportation is light speed rocket that can take me and my best friend to the moon. The content of outer space. Yeah, very good. Thank you very much for the answer, Samuel Prastio. Do you have the name for this rocket, light speed rocket? Mungkin ada namanya light speed rocketnya?
Mungkin apa? Toba rocket, Miss.
Toba rocket. Yeah, why not? Ya, Toba rocket. Atau kamu ada marga?
Ada, Miss. Napi 70, Miss.
Napi 70. Nanti kamu bikin 70 Toba gitu ya. 70 Toba rockets. Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll move on to the next one. Rizda, are you here? Hello, Rizda.
Yes, ma'am.
It's Miss. I'm happy to be called Miss. Yeah, Mrs. Rizda, do you want to read this? Silakan dibaca dulu deh, yuk.
Semuanya, Miss.
Semua yang kamu tulis lah, deh. This is not your first time.
Compound sentence Saya buat you can watch a movie or you can listen to a song. Future transportation. What I think the future vehicle, namely a car without wheels that runs or operates by hovering on the road and does not use fuel but use electricity.
Electricity. Okay, good. Number one, the tenses is correct, but the sentence is correct, but the grammar is not. Ya, grammar yang compound sentence-nya benar, tapi dia bukan belum bentuk past tense. If you want to use past tense, then probably you can say you watch a movie or you listen to a song, or you could listen to a song, or you could watch a movie. Kalau mau buat past tense-nya, ya. Yeah, and you call this cars without wheels, mobil tanpa roda, ya, that runs or operates by hovering on the road and do not use fuel but electricity. Yeah, I think we have some cars with electricity fuel nowadays, ya. Kayaknya udah ada sekarang ya. Apa? What do you call it ya? Tesla electric car sudah mulai ada sekarang. Tekannya, Dek. Oke, good. Mungkin satu lagi. Ada yang mau baca mungkin? Sebelum Miss panggil, mungkin ada yang Miss. I think I want to read. Anybody? Oh, I think I will ask Benny Sibarani. Is that okay, Benny? Apakah kamu ada post di sini?
Bisa, Miss.
Ada? Nggak ada Benny di sini mana? Nggak ada kamu post Benny?
I post, Miss.
Oh, you posted ya. Okay, can you read yours? Akan dibaca saja. Oh, nama kamu apa di YouTube? Apakah kamu punya nama Allah?
Ben, Miss.
Ben? Ben, apa Ben?
Only Ben, Miss.
Only Ben. Only.
Not only, Miss. Only Ben.
Sorry. Ben. Ben.
Yes, Miss.
Oh, tinggal ada ya. Oke, nggak muncul dia. Nggak apa-apa lah. Ya, read yours lah. Silakan dibaca saja punya kamu. What do you still remember?
Compound sentence. I answer. Today I got bored, so I played a game.
Okay. That's an excuse for playing games, yeah? You get bored and you play game. Okay.
In the future transportation, I answered luminous pathways, increasing safety. The luminosity of the road surface is created with a synthetic material that includes a substance that is able to absorb solar energy during the day and transform it into a glow at night.
Oh, that's very good. Luminous. You call it luminous. Yeah, it's a big word, luminous. Apa artinya, by the way? I want to know from you.
Luminous it lampu jalan.
Iya, lampu jalan yang menerangi gitu ya. Jadi, so the road is made from synthetic things ya, and then it absorbs the solar, the energy from the sun, and then it will be transformed into energy for the road at night ya. Oh, that's very smart. Yeah, so it's the road, bukan lampu jalannya tapi roadnya ya. Ya, you can name this, nanti kamu kasih paten untuk apanya, seperti siapa? Sarah Bone last week. Ya, Sarah Bone last week you give patent. Nanti Bensip luminous road ya. Ya, good, very good idea. That's a very good one. Maybe one more student. Ada satu lagi mungkin? What to share their thoughts? Anyone? Jeremy Patrick, you look serious.
Yes, Miss.
Do you have answer? Or do you have a brilliant answer for the invention, future invention?
I think it's not a brilliant answer, Miss.
Oh, do you have any thoughts? Mungkin thoughts-nya aja lah. Apa yang kamu pikirkan?
What compound sentence, Miss?
Maybe for the future.
For the future, Miss, I imagine our future features will use magnetic field to walk on the road.
Magnetic what?
Our future features will use magnetic fields to walk on the road.
Magnetic fuels.
Fields, Miss.
Bahan bakar magnetik.
Maksudnya, Miss, kayak di masa depan nanti, Miss, kayak mobil itu bakalan berjalan menggunakan medan magnetik, Miss.
Wow, that's very good. So there is no engines?
Maybe not, Miss, because I was in a movie.
Oh, what kind of movie is this?
I forget about the title, Miss. I'm sorry.
Not Fast and Furious, yeah?
No, Miss.
All right, thank you very much, Jeremy. See, that's a brilliant one. You just don't realize that it is, yeah. Good answer, everyone. Yeah, I'm always excited to know, your answers, because every year when I bring this topic, students will come up with brilliant answers, yeah. And no regret, this week we also have brilliant answers. So thank you very much for your answers. Maybe in the future, we don't know, yeah. Maybe in the future, I will have students coming to me and say, Miss, in your materials, because of your materials, I come up with the idea of making this. This is my invention. I don't know. That would be my greatest pride, yeah, of all. Anyways, yeah, so that's just my thoughts. So for today, for this video, I think we already talked about the future transportation, karena the future transportation yang dibahas di sini, ya. Probably can you mention one or two, please? I want to see from Samuel and Ruth Pratiwi, and also from Cindy, 3 orang, ya. Cindy, Ruth, and Samuel Napitupulu. Can you help me? Wah, terkejut si Samuel Napitupulu, ya, dipanggil namanya. Ya, saya akan sebutkan dulu apa kira-kira, ya. What is the transportation that you saw in the video? Apa transportation yang kamu lihat di videonya tadi saya kirim? Samuel first. Yeah, Samuel? Did you watch the video?
Yes, Miss.
Did you watch the video, Samuel? Apakah kamu nonton videonya?
Kurang paham, Miss, bahasa Inggris, Miss. Jadi kurang mengerti, Miss.
Masa nonton video kurang paham? Kamu pernah nonton TV enggak?
Ya, pernah, Miss.
Ya iya, kan sama. Nonton video kan nonton TV sama aja. Lihat videonya, apa yang ada di gambar itu yang kamu lihat di gambar berjalan itu? Kamu lihat video yang dari Miss kasih? Samuel?
Siap lihat tadi, Miss.
Nah, apa yang kamu lihat?
Tentang apa, Miss? Kayak alat-alat kayak itu, Miss. Alat transportasi.
Iya, sebutkanlah satu dulu. Lancar kali bahasa Indonesia.
Miss.
Sebutkanlah satu dulu. Ya, Samuel. Kalau kamu udah lancar bahasa Inggrisnya, nggak usah lagi masuk kelas, Miss, ya kan? Kita kan belajar. We are studying here. Ya, Samuel, yuk. Sebutkan satu aja. Mention one, please. Apa yang kamu lihat tadi? Ya? Masih di mute deh kamu.
Apa, Miss? Kapal, Miss.
Kapal apa?
Kapal
api.
Kapal terbang, Miss. Kayak apa? Smart airplane.
Oh, kapal. Pesawat itu kapal terbang.
Kapal terbang, Miss. Kan kapal terbang kan pesawat juga ya, Miss.
Udah lama Miss gak dengar kata kapal terbang ya. Pesawat terbang deh, kapal nggak terbang loh deh. Oh, walah tahe. Iya. Smart airplane. Nah, udah kamu sebutkan kan smart airplane gitulah ya. Good, Samuel. Thank you. Bahasa Indonesia juga perlu harus diperbaiki nih ya. It's pesawat terbang. Oke, Samuel. Saya mikirnya tadi kapal cruise ship kayak gitu ya. Biasa. Ya, good. Thank you very much. Siapa tadi lagi ya? Si Cindy, yuk. What did you see in the video? One transportation vehicles. Cindy?
Mercedes-Benz
Ya.
was created automated features.
Automation feature. Jadi automationnya maksudnya gimana, Cindy?
Yang seperti yang tanpa kita kemudikan sendiri, Miss.
Driverless, ya, driverless car. We call it driverless car, Cindy. Oke? Okay? Ya, very good. Ruth, satu lagi. Ruth Pratiwi. Halo, Ruth. Boleh kameranya diturunkan, Dek? Misalnya lihat jidatnya kamu loh, sayang. There you go. Ini banyak kan semuanya, banyak jidatnya Trisna. Kelihatan cuma gininya doang ya.
Rocket, Miss.
Apa, Dek?
Rocket.
Rocket ya. Where does the rocket bring you? Roketnya mentransfer kita kemana?
Keluar angkasa, Miss.
Keluar angkasa. Yes, good. Ya, to outer space ya. Okay, so some of these words, misalnya tadi kamu bilang smart airplane, Samuel ya. Ruth tadi bilang driverless car, and then rocket brings to the outer space. Yeah, so those are the examples of future. We don't know. Yeah, maybe that will be happening, or maybe that won't happen. But the thing is, it's a prediction. So we have the idea. Kita pun semua punya idenya ya. So just a quick quick reminder everyone for you. Many of you actually mentioned this word wrong ya. Jadi ada beberapa mahasiswa tadi di kelas sebelumnya juga bilangnya ini salah. I want to check from Nasia first. Can you read this word for me?
Read this, Miss.
Yeah.
Vehicle.
It's vehicle. Ya, sama tuh. Vehicle. Jadi HIC-nya itu vehicle kayak gitu aja ya. For Salman, so you wanna try?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
To read this, Miss.
Yeah.
Vehicle.
Yes, very good. Vehicle. Ya, Winda kasih. Ya. Silakan, Dek. Hah? Sorry, suaranya pelan sekali. Vehicle, yes, vehicle. Ya, jadi kalau ada nanti readings yang kita setelahnya, we say this word vehicle. Okay, and then these are some of the other words. I want to ask from Samuel again lah, Samuel Napitupulu. Yuk, biar belajar bahasa Inggris kan nggak bisa kali bahasa Inggris ya, belajarlah kita ya. Yuk, Samuel, read this for me, please. So, tunggu, mungkin Miss bagi 1, 2, 3. Ya, Miss bagi ke 3 orang ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gitu ya. Carol number 1 and 2. Oke, siapa ya? Daniel KGS 3, 4 and then Samuel 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. Ya. Silakan Carol, choose.
The number 1 invention.
Yeah.
The synonym is creation.
Yes. Invention, creation, boleh?
Congestion, the synonym is containment.
Not really. Congestion. It's congestion. Yeah, congestion. In terms of transportation, congestion has the same meaning with traffic. Traffic jam. Macet. Ya, macet nggak ada ojek. Ya, congestion. Okay, so bukan congestion. Bukan konge, tapi congest. Yeah, good. Thank you. Next, number 2. The second students, please. Daniel KGS. Bisa diulangi lagi, Daniel? Lebih kencang lagi suaranya, Dek? Atau lebih dekat ke mikrofon? Okay, the second one. Yang kedua coba dibaca saja, nggak apa-apa.
Smart airplane.
Smart airplane, pollution and smart airplane. Yeah, so pollution is, when it's supposed to be fresh, but it's polluted, it's dirty. Yeah, smart airplane, it's not the airplane is going to school, but the airplane has a lot of features. Ya, bukan berarti airplane-nya ke sekolah jadi pinter gitu ya, tapi dia punya features yang banyak. Okay, the last one. Samuel, it's your turn. Yuk, biar pinter bahasa Inggrisnya. Yuk.
Yang MRT-nya Miss, yang Mass Rapid Transit.
Menurut kamu yang mana lo, Dek? Masa nggak kamu ikuti? Ayo. Atau. Baca lo, Samuel.
Oh iya Miss, yang flexible seat Miss.
It's not an option. You read all. MRT, flexible seat, bukan yang itu. Jelas, baca dulu semuanya. Baca.
Dari awal Miss, atau dari MRT?
Apa-apa lah, biar pintar dari awal lah.
Oh iya Miss, yang invention, congestion,
Yes.
pollution, smart airplane, mass rapid transit, flexible seat, sophisticated apa sih? Sophisticated technology.
Sophisticated technology ya, banyak yang salah juga ini ya. Sophisticated technology. Yang mana kamu bisa jelaskan, Samuel?
Yang flexible seat Miss.
Iya, apa itu? What is that?
Aku mau tulis.
Buka kopi.
Flexible seat MRT lah Miss.
Okay, anything for you.
A system to facilitate transportation on the train to make it faster.
Iya, facilities ya. Thing to facilitate bukan facilitate ya. Facilitate to in a train. So it's I think it's more to a train or bus. You can also have MRT, and it's for many people. Yeah, so for massive transportation to bring lots of people at once. Yes, good. And other words, I think this word, and it's not only Samuel who has the issue with this word. Brian may also have the same issue. Brian, can you help me to say this word for me, please? Sophisticated. Iya, sophisticated. So sophisticated, let me tell you, sophisticated itu kata artinya canggih. Dan ini sebenarnya kata kalian ya, it's your word. Just like computer. You cannot say komputer atau apa gitu ya. You need to say computer. Okay? Same thing like sophisticated is your word. Itu kalimat orang IT. Ya, anak computer technology atau information technology, you call it. Ya, but you need to say this word correctly. So it's sophisticated. Dan misalnya, keren kali gitu ya, canggih kali atau modern sekali, you can say sophisticated. Jadi tolong jangan salah. Gitu ya, karena nanti di tahun depan kalian mengerjakan bukan TA ya, proyek akhir 1 ya, kalau nggak salah di D3TI dan D3TK, you will do sophisticated technologies, I think, at least to make an IoT based, something gitu ya, so sophisticated is important word, okay? Now we go to this part. We have smart airplane as our reading. Before we go to this reading, I want to check if you have words that you don't understand. Apakah ada kata-kata yang tidak kalian pahami dari teks ini? Krishna Sitanggang, do you have words that you don't understand?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, which one is that?
Bisa diulangi, Miss?
Do you have words you don't understand?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, which one, Dek? Ada kata-kata yang tidak tahu artinya?
Izin Miss.
Ya.
itu Miss, artinya passengers apa Miss?
Passengers. Oke, passengers. Siapa yang bertanya? Mohon maaf.
Saya Miss Samuel Miss.
Samuel. Passengers. That's a good word. Ya, passengers itu orang yang penumpang. Orang penumpang ya. Jadi misalnya kamu kan ini transportation ini kan pasti ada orang yang naik di dalam, ada drivernya, ada penumpangnya. So you call it passengers. Ada beberapa yang menyebutkan passenger, so it's wrong. Okay, it's passenger. Pass yang pass ya dari kata pass. Pass itu lewat, jadi melewatkan orang gitu ya, passenger. Okay, good question Samuel. Any others?
Yes.
You're welcome. Any others?
Imagine yang kalimat pertama, Miss.
Imagination, imagine all the
Yes.
people, ya. Imajinasi, imagine, membayangkan. Itu dia ya, deh, imagine.
Adjustment, Miss.
Adjustment itu
Adjustment.
penyesuaian. Very good. Adjustment gimana tadi ya? Adjustment, sitting adjustment. Dari kata adjust itu menyesuaikan, adjustment penyesuaian. Very good. That's a lot of questions. So you say adjustment, imagine, passengers. Okay? Maybe one more. Mungkin ada satu lagi yang missed. Ada? No? Okay, that's good. Now I will ask Goldie Yoel. Hello, Goldie.
Yes, Miss.
Ya, silakan diputar recordingnya. Dek, do you want me to stop my share screen?
No, Miss. Let it.
Okay, so you share sound aja ya. Kamu mau share sound?
Yes, Miss, I think.
Oke, silakan. Ya, Irene Lasmaria itu ya, TK. Oke. Silakan, Goldie.
But it not allowed, Miss.
Oh, not allowed ya. Oke, I'll just stop my share screen then. Silakan ya, Goldie. Kamu lagi ada di mana? Kenapa kameranya mati?
I'm at home, Miss, but my connection.
Oke, that's fine. Silakan.
Smart airplane. I imagine one of the future transportation that will be useful for human. It is Smart Airplane 4001. It is one type of air transportation and it will have cool features inside. One of the features is the smart seating adjustment, the flexible seat. This feature will give comforts to the passengers because the seats will move following the sunlight, and it will also have the bed function and it will be provided in all classes. The other important feature is the smart screen and 3D glasses that will allow the passengers to experience flying in the air. I hope the invention of smart airplane will happen soon.
Okay, thank you very much, Goldie. When I was listening to your recording, there's actually a background sound, and it sounds like we are in the future, you know. Kayak ada deng 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 gitu-gitu ya. Or is it only me? I don't know. Apa mungkin karena dia smart airplane gitu ya, jadi serasa di udara bacanya. Thank you very much, Goldie. That's very good. Adjustment, that's just the word that I give comments to, ya. Maybe one more, I would ask siapa yang belum pernah Miss panggil di kelas Miss ya? Ada nggak ya dari pertama kali awal pertama belum pernah Miss panggil? Putri Siagian ya?
Yes, Miss.
Ya, silakan deh ya.
Smart airplane. I imagine one of the future transportation that will be useful for human. It is Smart Airplane 4001. It is one type of air transportation, and it will have cool feature inside. On the feature is the smart seating adjustment, the flexible seat. This feature will give comfort to the passenger because the seat will move following the sunlight. And it will also have the bed function, and it will be provided in all classes. The other important feature is the smart screen and 3D glasses that will allow the passengers to express feeling in the air. I hope the invention of smart airplane will happen
Soon, yes. Experience flying in the air. I hope this invention of smart airplane will happen soon. Yeah. Good, thank you. Now I will ask Barney. Hello, Barney. How do you think this idea will likely to happen in the future, Barney? Barney?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think? Question number 1. Do you think this idea will happen in the future? Apa memungkinkan nggak terjadi nih? Is it possible, improbable, impossible? What do you think, Barney? Halo?
Ini tadi tentang apa ya?
Berarti nggak kamu ikuti pelajarannya deh, cumananya.
Ikuti, Miss, tapi nggak ngerti aku tadi maksud yang sebelumnya, Miss.
Kan tadi kita baru baca tentang smart airplane. Nah, menurut kamu itu akan terjadi atau tidak? Duh, ini kan materi sudah miskasi duluan tadi loh, udah dari Mas Teo udah miskasi. What do you think, Barney?
I think will be terjadi.
Will be terjadi.
What the meaning the terjadi?
Will happen.
No, will happen. I think that will happen.
Yeah. How sure are you? How certain? Seberapa yakin kamu? From 1 until 10.
8.
8 ya. Oke, good. Thank you. Nah, sekarang ikutilah ya, Barney ya. Jangan ditanya lagi apa yang sedang kita bicarakan sekarang.
Yes, Miss. Sorry, Miss.
It's okay. Joel Manurung, what do you think? Will you think this will happen soon?
I think, Miss, from scale 1 to 10, I think is 5, Miss.
So, what does it mean, Joe?
Because this idea very hard to find, Miss.
Yeah, very hard to find. Yeah, this is actually my own imagination of a smart airplane. Yeah, and I don't know if you are someone with phobia of heights. This can be problematic, ya, karena kamu kayak terbang di udara dan habis itu jatuh, ya, it's going to be very frightening. Yeah, very good, Joe Manurung. I'll go to the last person, Mary. Hello, Mary.
Hello, Miss.
Yes. What do you think
about the? I think 7, Miss.
7? What makes you think it's 7?
Because feature in the metaphor of smart aircraft can be found and made like flexible seat and smart screen as well as 3D glasses.
So it might be, yeah. Yeah, actually we have some smart screen. Maybe some of the airplane already has smart screen, yeah, but not, transparent walls where you can see like flying in the air. That will be very scary, yeah, for some people. Good, thank you very much, Mary. Now we go to the features. Saya satu lagi deh. Ada features. Mulyadi. Tadi Miss bilang namanya kamu siapa ya? Maruli ya. Mulyadi Maruli. Yuk. What are the features? Apa saja featuresnya tadi di sini? Ada features, ada fitur. A feature sama future ya. Those are two different things ya. Kalau ini future. Okay, and this one features. Ada features and future. That's two different things. Ya, how many features are there? Ada berapa featuresnya? Ada berapa? Mulyadi? Mulyadi, udah hilang ya? Oh, masih situ. Ya, Mulyadi.
Yes, Miss.
How many?
3, Miss.
3, okay. What are they? Apa saja?
Flexible seat, 3D glasses, and experience flying, Miss.
Experience flying is not really the features, but I think the bed function, fungsi tidur yang bisa tidur ya di pesawat, that is one of the other features ya. And I think there's one more other than that. Ada 3D, ada screen, ada satu lagi. Apa satu lagi? Ada yang bisa bantu? Anyone can help Mulyadi?
Passenger, Miss.
Say that again.
Passengers, Miss.
Passenger. Sulastri.
One is smart seating adjustment.
Yes.
2, flexible seat.
Yes.
3, the seat will move following the sunlight. Smart screen, 3D glasses.
And smart screen and 3D glasses. Yeah, so there are actually 5. Yeah, smart seating adjustment and flexible seat can actually be combined into one. But if you want to divide it, that's fine. Yeah, thank you very much, Sulastri. Yeah, which of these do you like best? Yang mana yang paling kamu suka, Sulastri? Flexible seat, seating adjustment, atau yang screen? Which one do you like best?
Flexible seat, Miss.
Flexible seat ya, bisa muter kemana-mana aja ya. Yeah, good. Thank you very much, Sulastri. That's a very good answer. Alright, this one is very quick. Ini hanya sebentar saja karena saya mau ada quiz dengan kalian. Singkat saja kuisnya, semuanya langsung bangun gitu ya. Waktu Miss bilang kuis ya, apalagi kalau di kelas seru kali kalau wajah kalian waktu Miss bilang ada kuis, wah semuanya tiba-tiba yang tidur pun yang jatuh gitu ya, langsung gitu ya. Ya kan, Andreas Arta, saya nggak bisa lihat ekspresi kamu soalnya kamu mematikan kamera. Okay, anyways, we'll just talk a bit about this ya. Jadi in making predictions, because we talk about future tense, there are 2 ways we can talk about something that are certain. Ada yang yakin dan mungkin ya, yakin dan mungkin. Memang kalau yakin sebenarnya tidak ada yang yakin, tidak ada yang certain, tidak ada yang pasti di dunia ini gitu ya sebenarnya, but you know we can always make sure that can happen, and we say it will gitu ya. So we use will for the certainty level, the highest certainty level, and this is just the example using will and won't. And then sorry, this one is supposed to be using verb, ada verbnya di sini ya. Will not, verb ya, ada verbnya di situ. And then if you are using possibility, if it is possible, then you can use may or might. Just a minor one, ada notes di sini. Sebenarnya may and might itu bisa digunakan bersamaan for oral conversation, for oral spoken English. But when it comes to written English, it can be used. There's a difference in the use, ya. May bisa untuk past, untuk present, and might for the past tense. But this is for oral. For spoken English, you can say, I may come to your house tomorrow, or I can also say, I might come to your house tomorrow. Bisa dua-dua bisa digunakan. Gitu ya. For spoken English, okay? Before written, it's different case. Alright, ini mungkin saya langsung cepat saja ya. 5 orang bisa bantu? Thank you. I have 3, 4, 5 students. Ya, mungkin langsung 10 saja deh. Raise hand yang lainnya. Raise hand, choose. How many do I have? 8, 9, and 10. All right, thank you. Agnes, number 1. Samuel Napitupulu, number 2. Sulastri, number 3. Andreas Arta. Oh, Andreas Arta is here. You're live. Krishna, number 4. And number 5 is Benny Sibarani. Untuk the next one, yang ini. Untuk yang ini, Putri Siagian the first, and then Benny Tampu Bolon the next, Mary number 3, Jeremy number 4, and I think I miss one more. Ada yang belum raise. Agnes, Agnes tadi sudah saya panggil ya. Kok kurang ini? Kurangnya 1, 2, 3. Haven't I called someone who raised his hand? Oh, Nesia satu lagi, yes, Nesia, the last one ya. Yuk, the first one, silakan.
Cars will become much safer with the addition of many sensors.
With the, sebentar saya tutup dulu ini ya, agak bingung jadinya. Alright, cars will become more safer with the addition ini ya, of many sensors. Will, good. Certain. Next, please.
We will use petrol engines in the future. There are better alternatives.
There are better alternatives. The answer is?
Will, miss.
Yeah, it's actually using will, tapi karena dia ada better alternatives, karena dia certain pakai will ya, atau want. Nah, pertanyaannya apakah benar pakai will atau ada jawaban lain?
Will not, miss.
Yes, Nesia, thank you. It is will not. Why? Because there is an explanation over here. There are better alternatives. Jadi mungkin di masa yang akan datang kita tidak akan menggunakan petrol lagi karena ada better alternatives. Gitu ya, pakai will not. The question, bagaimana tahu kapan menggunakan will, kapan menggunakan will not, miss? There is no magic trick other than reading the question. Tidak ada magic trick yang lain selain baca soalnya. Okay, everyone. Next, number 3.
By 2020, more people in Europe may travel to work by train than by car.
Yes, very good. So it's possible using may or might, yeah. Number 4. Yang sudah boleh lower hands, ya. Thank you.
So, solar powered vehicles. Solar powered vehicles will not become the answer to all transport problems. The cells are very inefficient. It is unlikely. Okay, will not miss.
Iya. Okay, solar power vehicles. Ya, the cells are very inefficient. Mau latihan lagi yang bagus ya, Krishna ya. Next, number 5.
As world oil supplies dry up, petrol will get more and more expensive.
Petrol will get more and more expensive. Andreas tadi nomor berapa ya? Halo, Andreas?
Enggak tahu, Miss, lupa, Miss. Enggak dengar tadi, Miss.
Oh, kamu di situ. Coba baca lagi lah nomor 4. Tunggu ya, Dek ya, Benny ya. Nomor 4 lah kamu baca lagi.
Oke, Miss. Solar powered vehicles blank 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 become the answer to our transport problem. The cells are very inefficient. My answer is might not, miss.
Enggak salah jawabannya. Vehicles inefficient will not, Andreas. Ya, udah dijawab tadi sama si Krishna juga salah juga ya. Jawab lagi, perhatikan lagi ya. Ya, tadi Benny, silakan Benny, ulangi lagi di nomor 5.
As world oil supplies dry up, petrol will get more and more expensive.
Yes, will get more and more expensive. Good, thank you very much. Next, good reading. Number 1.
When three or more cars.
There are more cars. Mana ada three?
When there are more cars in the street, there will be congestion.
Congestion.
And
Nah. Congestion. This is words that you cannot say wrong. Ini pelajaran kita hari ini kok. Congestion.
Congestion, and it will be difficult for cars for cars to move fast.
Yes, good. Coba latihan lagi ya, Putri ya. Kalau mau baca, Dek, biar lebih bagus ya, Dek. Okay,
Yes,
congestion, difficult, kalau belajar bahasa Inggris, your mouth needs to open wide. Yeah, don't be shy. Number 2, silakan, Dek.
Number 2, why the increasing number of physical these days impact vehicles this day. The impact to the environment will be bad. One of obvious example is pollution.
Pollution, very good. Yeah, vehicles these days. Yeah, good reading. Yeah, keep practicing. Good, Benny. Thank you. Next, Mary.
Number 3, feature of flexible seat allows you to move around inside a bus.
Inside a bus ya, bukan bus. Next, number 4. Thank you. Jeremy Patrick.
Oh, sorry, Miss. I think it's number 5.
Nisia is number 5.
Young people are encouraged to create new invention in transportation.
Invention, very good. Young people like you, yeah. Next.
Number 5, blank 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 is one example of future transportation. My answer is smart airplane.
Smart airplane is one example. Actually, there are more. Yeah, it's not only smart airplane, but there's actually more. Just like what you mentioned just now, rocket, light speed rockets, or kapal terbang. Yeah, the kapal that is flying. Yeah. Yeah, good job everyone. Yeah, so you have practiced the tenses of the models of using will, may, and might, and you also have practiced about the vocabulary. Yeah, so very quickly everyone, we are going to have a short quiz as I have mentioned, seperti yang sudah saya infokan tadi. So I'm just going to open it. I will play now and for teaching, bear with me. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so please join Kahoot, everyone. There you go. Join Kahoot ID, and this is the pin. Okay, www.kahoot.it pin. There you go. Ya, mana nih? Ya, Bastian Janita Ben. Nesia. Jeremy Pardede. I think I haven't called Jeremy today. Kayaknya belum ada panggil Jeremy ya hari ini ya. Ya, next one ya, Jeremy ya. Joe.
Dari tadi aku ngomong, Miss.
Oh, Jeremy Patrick. Iya, benar-benar. Sorry. Saya pikir Jeremy yang lain. Ya, Jeremy Patrick ya. Saya bacanya Jeremy Pardede saja, Patricknya yang aku baca. Sorry ya.
It's okay, Miss.
Daniel, Jenris, Agnes, Krishna, Joe. Mana si Samuel kapal terbang? Mana dia Samuel? Still I haven't seen you, Samuel. Where are you? Come on. I'm looking for you. I'm waiting for you. Andreas, are you joining? Oh, there you go. Alright, I'm waiting for one more student. Satu orang lagi lah ya, biar kita mulai karena udah lewat waktunya nih. Udah tinggal 1 menit. Okay, let's just start ya. Alright, let's start everyone. Only 5 questions. Hanya 5 pertanyaannya. Yes. Akan dijawab. I am certain that Mr. Dian will be the next CEO. I want to be, will to next CEO. Okay, 11 people, more people answers the correct one. So it's will be. Ya, jadi bukan will to atau will is karena tidak bisa will is. Will to, will tidak boleh dipasangkan dengan to. Ya, will hanya dipasangkan dengan will langsung kata kerja. Ya, past tense the first one. Anesia and Ben. Who is Ben by the way? Ya, Cindy and Janita is the next one. Next, number 2. Okay, titik-titik are the transportation media. All right. Yes, the answer is vehicles are the transportation media. Yeah, it's not pollution, it's a transportation media. Media transportasi, vehicles. Good, Salman, so it's coming up. Cindy is coming up, Ban, and Jerem is coming up. Bastian's leading. Future cars. Tadi siapa yang jawab ya? Yeah, will not, should not, cannot. Yes, will be driverless. Oh, ada yang bilang will not be driverless. Ya, bisa aja sih will not ya, tapi mungkin karena ini apanya imajinasinya kita jadi mungkin will be driverless ya. Daniel naik ke atas ya, the highest climber. Good. Next. Yes, she's coming up as well. Number 4, hanya ada 5 soal kok ya, sebentar lagi kita selesai ya. It is probable that the smart airplane will probable ya, possible, probable is the same. The answer is it may. Oh gitu ya, probable ini sama dengan si possible ya, probable possible. Jadi pakai may ya deh, bukan will. Karena pakai probable. Kalau misalnya tadi it is certain baru pakainya will. Ya, banyak yang jawab may ya. Berarti banyak yang berubah ini. Oh iya, berubah semua ya. Yes, the last one. The road is full of traffic. It's having invention, congestion, water pollution, sophisticated technologies. Yes, the answer is congestion. Ya, bukan invention. Kenapa pula dia pendapat invention ya? Full of traffic. Oke, siapa yang naik ke podium? Nesia. Janita. Cindy, very good. And runner-up is Mary and Salman. So yeah, all right. Congratulations, everyone. Ya, tunggu saya matikan dulu suaranya, ini masih ribut ya. Yeah. All right, that's just a quick game, yeah, you know, to have fun. Yeah, congratulations for everybody. So we have learned plenty of things today. Jadi kita belajar tentang congestion, we have learned about transportation, vocabularies for transportation, and also prediction, ya, using will sama may sama might. So learn about that. Ingat, kalian tidak akan belajar kalau kalian tidak explore sendiri ya. Sama kayak Samuel tadi. Nggak ngerti, Miss. Kalau nggak ngerti apa yang kamu lakukan. You don't expect me to teach you much if you don't open yourself for learning by yourself. Okay? That's all for today, everyone. Thank you very much for coming. You are most welcome if you have questions to ask me. Ya, silakan kalau ada yang mau tanya, silakan tanya ke Miss. That will bring me to the end of the meeting today, and I hope to see you all next week. Bye.
See you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.